Looking for the best vanity mirrors? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 vanity mirrors on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. DWISON Folding Travel Mirror. Has LED lights that can be adjusted to cool, warm, or natural based on preference. Comes with a rechargeable battery and USB cable. Regular mirror with no magnification, and lights are easily dimmable/brightened for clear results. This foldable mirror is lightweight and can be conveniently packed in a bag, or set up at home. This is very lightweight and a bit flimsy. At number 2. Beautyworks Backlit Vanity Mirror. Features a large center mirror with mirrored panels that fold out for multiple possible angles. Ideal for those with limited space who need an easy way to shave or apply makeup. Smaller side mirrors offer 2 times and 3 times magnification. A rectangular vanity mirror with a modern style and even LED lighting. Some received mirrors that appeared to be used. A few reports of power issues after several months of use. At number 1. Honsong Makeup Mirror with Lights. One of the larger vanity mirrors available. Surrounded by 12 classic shaped LED bulbs, providing good space and lighting to see clearly. Comes with a 10x magnifier that you can attach to the mirror, and a 360-degree swivel ability. The classic Hollywood style of this vanity mirror is hard to beat. The touch screen buttons built into the surface of the mirror result in plenty of fingerprints. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.